Sawubona mngani, welcome back to Zulu Lessons with Thando, the place for modern conversational Zulu language lessons. A few verbs about naughtiness in isiZulu. They are not all going to be necessarily naughty, but they're kind of related. So the word for naughty in isiZulu, the verb is ganga. Ganga, so G-A-N-G-A. Ganga just simply means to be naughty. Now, if you want to say someone is being naughty, you would then say uyaganga. Unonhlanhla uyaganga. Nonhlanhla is being naughty. But now you want to say Nonhlanhla is naughty. So we're no longer saying she is being naughty right now. We're basically saying she is naughty. She is naughtiness herself. So, Unonhlanhla ugangile. Unonhlanhla ugangile. Do you see that we've used ILE at the end of the verb? Unonhlanhla ugangile. Now let's say she is not naughty. Remember we had said ugangile. So we'll use the same conjugation again and say and negate it. Now we say unonhlanhla akagangile. Unonhlanhla akagangile. That aka is she is not or he is not naughty. Now let's talk about someone loitering, just pacing up and down, just loitering around. There are two words that we could use for this. There is the verb taluza, which is simply to loiter. And then there is the verb pitizela or pitiza. Pitizela being the one used the most. Pitizela means just pacing up and down, just being chaotic, causing a nuisance, up and down. Pitizela. Now let's use these two in a sentence. Here I am giving a command. Stop loitering. Yeka ukugcaluza. Yeka ukugcaluza. So stop, yeka, ukugcaluza. Did you hear? In English, I didn't say stop to loiter. I said stop loitering. So there is a gerund in English. We put an ing at the end of the verb. So that is what we've done also in isiZulu. Uku before the verb changes this verb now to a noun. Ukugcaluza, loitering. So, yeka ukugcaluza, stop loitering. Or we could then change this to musa ukugcaluza, which is don't loiter in English. Now this verb, hlupha, is someone who's being troublesome or being bothersome. So, hlupha is the verb. Uyahlupha. You're being troublesome. Uyahlupha. Musa ukungihlupha. Stop bothering me. Musa ukungihlupha. Angihluphi muntu mina. Angihluphi muntu mina. I'm not bothering anyone. So those are the few verbs about naughtiness that I wanted to share with you. Usale kahle mngani.